Welcome to Lacombe Ford. Today's delivery experience is all about setting you up for success with your new vehicle, helping you learn the features, connect your technology, and leave confident, comfortable, and ready to enjoy your ride. Here's what to expect during your visit today. Your sales rep will guide you through downloading and setting up the Ford app. This opens up a whole new world in your ownership journey. You can now earn valuable rewards with every qualified purchase in our sales, parts, and service departments. These points convert into real cash value to use and redeem on future purchases. Receive vehicle notifications right to your phone. Alerts on service, warranty, recalls, and customer service actions live so you can react quickly. Stay directly connected to Lacombe Ford to easily book online or contact us if you need anything. And lastly, you'll be connected to your vehicle. Remotely locate, lock, unlock, and even start your vehicle right from your phone. It's real easy. Plus a full walk-around of your vehicle, reviewing exterior and interior technology. We'll activate your Ford modem and start your free connectivity trials. Take time to consider these options to protect and enhance your ownership experience. These trials include BlueCruise. Experience true hands-free highway driving on compatible roads. Stay relaxed and in control as your Ford maintains lane position, safe following distance, and even assists with passing other vehicles. Your road trips have never been easier. Ford connectivity. Your vehicle's modem keeps you connected to the world around you. Imagine the possibilities. A built-in Wi-Fi hotspot to keep you and your family connected and entertained on the road, connecting up to 10 devices at a time within a 15-meter radius of your Ford. Connected navigation with Google Maps without ever plugging in your phone, and entertainment features like audio, video streaming, and voice assistance. Imagine streaming popular apps like Prime Video and YouTube, available directly on your center screen while parked, and for the gamers in the vehicle, you can access popular games from Google Play like Asphalt Nitro 2 and Angry Birds, all while parked. Entertainment for those left waiting, entertainment anywhere you are. Ford connectivity is more than you've ever imagined. Unlike Android Auto or Apple CarPlay, which mirror your phone, Ford's system works seamlessly with your vehicle, designed to fit naturally into your lifestyle, rather than just bringing your apps along for the ride. Ford Security Services. Get peace of mind with real-time protection of your vehicle. We park our vehicles everywhere and often don't think twice about them while we carry out our errands and life. They'll be there when we get back, right? But when the unexpected happens, Ford Security puts you back in control. Theft alerts, notifying you of tampering on your vehicle through your Ford app, giving you the time to react quickly and protect what matters most. And get notifications if your vehicle is being used unexpectedly or leaves a designated area. Start Inhibit, the power to lock and turn off your vehicle's operations remotely. In the event your vehicle is stolen, 24/7 live support to assist with tracking the vehicle and working with law enforcement for recovery. Anytime you're away from your vehicle, whether at the grocery store, the airport, or visiting friends, Ford Security Services works with your Ford app to give you real-time updates and easy access to all your vehicle safety features, helping you protect your vehicle effortlessly. Here's the best part. You get to experience all three of these Ford services, BlueCruise, Ford Security Service, and Ford Connected Service, for free during a trial period. We encourage you to try them out, explore the features, and see firsthand how they can enhance your driving, protect your investment, and keep you and your family connected like never before. We'll be sending more details in a couple of weeks, but in the meantime, get excited. You've never driven like this before. Now that you're informed on the latest technology, you'll take a demo drive with your sales rep, highlighting key features and showing you how everything works in real time. This trip will include a fuel fill-up or EV charging demo. Back at the dealership, you'll meet the Quick Lane Tire and Auto Center team to book your first service appointment. Lastly, our finance team will complete any remaining paperwork, warranties, or protection plans. Get a Ford Prepaid Maintenance, or FMPP. It's more than just oil changes. Save money on all your vehicle's required and scheduled services. Beat rising parts cost and inflation by prepaying your maintenance into your monthly payments. And Lacombe Ford will save you money on future purchases too. Extended warranty. Avoid costly future repairs with the right parts and service team. Many options on time and distance packages to manage your planned vehicle ownership and avoid out-of-pocket surprises in the future. Credit insurance. Give yourself the peace of mind of protecting you and your family and your credit rating from the unimaginable. Be secure in your purchase with affordable options. Vehicle care programs. Keep your vehicle looking showroom new with options to suit everyone. From paint protection to prepaid minor cosmetic repairs for the exterior and interior of your vehicle, we can help make sure your vehicle looks great for years to come. Followed by a quick exit interview with our sales manager to ensure you're fully satisfied. At Lacombe Ford, our goal is simple: to make your experience real easy, real rewarding, and with the support of real people who care. Thank you, and welcome to the Lacombe Ford family.